Welcome to this excited course on HTMX. Yes, what? HTMX? I have heard HTML. So what is this HTMX? Yeah, you could think it of like a big brother of HTML. It's just an extended version of HTML. So the idea is to give more power to HTML. So hence they have named it as HTMX, and it gives us so much powerful features that now people are trying to replace React apps with HTMX. If you haven't heard the hype, please hear now and look into the web developer industry. Okay, great. So what are we going to cover in this course? It's going to be all about, of course, HTMX. So basically the agenda will be looking something like, we'll start with introduction, like we will learn what HTMX is all about, and we will learn about how to do installation for HTMX, and then we will see how we can make AJAX request from HTML. Can you believe that we can make HTTP request from HTML itself? And then we will see what are the different triggers, meaning now it's not only possible for buttons or other anchor tags where we can make HTTP request. You can now inside HTML, even div can make HTTP request using different triggers as well. Triggers are something like whenever there is a drag, what can be done, whenever there is a mouse move, what has to be done. Those kinds of things we will learn. And in fact, the beauty is that we can also do polling of HTTP endpoints from HTML again. And we will also be able to show some indicators when the request is in progress. And we will also see some synchronization strategies. What does this section mean is that there are times when we need to do parallel requests. One depends on the other, and if you want, you can cancel one other. Whenever we get a response from one thing, you can cancel the other. You can do something like that. And there is also a lot of different swapping strategies. So basically what happens here is that we will be sending only the HTML code that is required, okay, from that response, and then we will take that response and swap it wherever it is required. It's kind of like choose and pick the HTML code. Okay, and that's where like we will be ending the fundamentals of HTMX. Now we will be applying those fundamentals to two applications. The first one is the to-do applications, where we will be able to create a to-do, and then you can delete it, edit it, create it, and also you will have filters to filter it down as well. Once the to-do app is done, you will also then do a mini Trello app. Why the name mini Trello? We will not have all the functionalities, but we will have a Trello like application where we can drag and drop between the features and save the state. So you can drag, or you can create a new list, you can create cards inside it, and then you can drag and drop the list between, or change the orders of the list, and also you can change the cards between the list as well as inside the list as well. So there is a lot to cover, and that's where our course ends. So hopefully you will like it, and I will see you in the course. So see you. Thank you.